and today we will be talking on the topic applications of permutation and combination. So we will discover how mathematical concepts of permutation and combination solve real world problems in our daily lives, from unlocking number locks to organizing tournaments and selecting teams. So to understand the applications of permutation and combination, we should know what permutation actually is. So first we'll start with a challenge. So imagine if you have a number lock with 4 beans, each labeled with digits 0 to 9, and you have forgotten the specific sequence, but remember the first digit is 7. Now the question arises that how many sequence of 3 remaining digits must be checked to open the lock. So listing all the possible arrangement would be a tedious job. So permutation provides a technique to solve this problem. Now we'll understand permutation. First, definition. Permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of objects taken some or all at a time. Key characteristics is that order matters. Here ABC is different from BAC. And we look out to the formula. Now permutation formula breakdown. First we'll identify what are the variables. N represent here total items available, and R items to arrange. Now when we apply in the formula, we get P n R is equal to n factorial divided by n minus R factorial, where this symbol, which is factorial, means now factorial is something which ranges, it is a product of all positive numbers ranging from 1 to n. For example, 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now let's solve our log problem. First, we need to arrange 3 digits from 9 remaining digits. So 0 to 9 except 7. We know that n, which is 9, is the total remaining digits, and r is equal to 3 digits to arrange. So 9 comma r will be equal to 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 the whole factorial, which is 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So here when you write it, 6 factorial will get cancelled. So here the remaining digits would be, numbers would be 9 into 8 into 7, which is 504. So here 504s are the different sequences to guarantee the opening of lock. Now we move on to what is combination. And the combination is a selection of items without considering the order in which they are arranged. So the key differences are order does not matter here. AB is the same as B. Formula is C. N comma R is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial n minus the whole factorial. So here we will see an example, a fruit selection example. For example, from 3 fruits, apple, banana and cherry, selecting 2 fruits gives us only 3 combinations, which is AB, AC and BC. Now we will move on to the applications. We will read out some applications, the real world applications of permutation and combination. Business and marketing. Product placement combinations help optimize store layouts and customer flow. Calculating combinations for building products maximizes revenue through strategic package deals and cross-selling opportunities. Now voting and election analysis. Calculating possible outcomes based on different voter combinations enables pollsters to predict election results and understand demographic voting patterns across multiple constituencies. Now arrangement problems usually deals with permutation. So arranging people, letters, numbers and books requires permutation calculations, essential for seating arrangement in rows or round tables for events and organizational planning. And selection problems, it is mainly dealing with combinations. So selecting teams or committees from larger groups uses combination formulas, critical for choosing exam questions, forming project teams and creating balanced organizational structures. Next is real life applications. Arrangements and scheduling. Seating arrangements at weddings, car scheduling, sports, tournament fixtures, and exam timetables. Also in games and puzzles where poker hand probabilities, lottery number selections, Sudoku arrangements, and Rubik's Cube solutions. Also computer science where password generation, data encryption, keys, algorithms, optimization, and secure coding systems, probability and statistics, medical study sampling, market research groups, election committee formation, and data analysis. Now we will see the permutation versus combinations in daily life. So here it shows how it differs in each aspect. So passwords and PIN. Here we have 4-digit PIN, which is 1, 2, 3, will not be equal to 4, 3, 2, 1, because here permutation, the order matters. When the order is different, permutation is not equal to what the password pins are giving you. Now combinations would be choosing 4 digits in any order. And sports here, race ranking, gold, silver and bronze. As you know, the first place and the second place of the winners are assigned with specific medals, which are gold and silver. So here the order matters. So this comes under permutation. And selecting team members. Selecting team members, it is a combination because we can select it, it may vary from person to person. So here the order does not matter. And travel, route sequence through cities. The route would be in an order, but choosing cities to visit, it will be our choice. And cards, order of drawing cards. Selecting cards from a hand would be combination. And daily life, bank, queue position, and choosing friends to invite. Next we'll see the famous mathematicians and combinatorics. Combinatorics is specifically based on combinations. The first person is Blaise Pascal, who was born in 1623 and his death was in 1662. Known for Pascal's triangle, which gives coefficients of binomial expansions. Contributions with Pascal's triangle is closely tied to combinations, which is NCR. It helps count the number of ways to close R objects from N. And work. His work was treatise on the arithmetical triangle. Next one is Jacob Bernoulli in 1665 to 1705, known for his book The Art of Conjecture, published posthumously. Posthumously means after his death. And contribution was one of the early systemic works on combinatorics and probability, introduced the idea of binomial coefficients and formalized principles of calculating combinations. And lastly, we'll check how much you have understood. So for example, here you have to select which is the correct one. Now the question is, for allotment of ATM pin, which is 1, 2, 3, is not equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. So it will come under permutation as the order is not correct. Now queue at a bank, permutation or combination. It would be permutation because order matters. Choosing friends for a cricket team, permutation or combination. It would be combination because friends, it may vary from person to person. Here order does not matter. And lastly, I would like to thank everyone for listening to this. And some key takeaways would be that permutation and combinations are powerful tools that help us solving counting numbers efficiently in mathematics and real life. And some things to remember is order matters, which is equal to permutation, and where order does not matter, it is combination. Thank you.